Hi, my name's Guerrero. I work here at Accelerated Assemblies as a sales engineer. I've been with the company for just a little over 5 years. We specialize in quick-turn prototype circuit boards. We manufacture those here in Elk Grove, as well as do the assembly here in Elk Grove as well. What's nice about having a relationship with a local vendor is you could pick up the phone and talk to somebody. You don't have to send an email today and get a response tomorrow, and in 2 or 3 days have some actual feedback from the issue that you're having. We specialize in low to mid volume production runs. Here at Accelerated Assemblies, we have the latest and greatest pick-and-place machines, AOI, optical inspection, X-ray, selective solder, wave solder. We are constantly investing in new technology. Everything in the facility is 2016 model or newer. We have many design engineers on staff that could help design and lay out your product. We do box builds. We specialize in LED lighting, medical. We do a lot of startups, a lot of Kickstarter type programs where some customers come in with just a piece of paper and an idea, and we turn that into an actual product. One thing that sets us apart from most of our competitors is our ability to react very quickly. We offer a 24-hour service where if you have an issue or a problem, you could always get somebody on the phone. We are all about reshoring at building boards here in the United States. We do some really neat things. We call it the co-op panel build, where we build multiple designs in one panel. What this does is reduce the cost of setup and tooling, which is the bulk and majority of the costs of building any circuit board. So when we can spread that over 5 or 6 customers, we're able to produce very extremely inexpensive circuit boards. Normally on any prototype run, we do complete testing. We optically inspect it. We use an X-ray sometimes to inspect them. Thanks again for tuning in. Signing off here, Chris at Accelerated Assemblies. We would love to work together. Give us a call anytime. I'm always here to help, and thanks again.